Master the barbecue basics. Direct versus indirect heat. Direct heat for searing. Direct heat grilling is all about searing your meat. When you place your meat directly over the flames or coals, it's like giving it a flavorful high five. The intense heat quickly creates that coveted Maillard reaction, resulting in a delicious crust on the outside while preserving a juicy interior. Indirect heat for slow cooking. Indirect heat grilling involves cooking your meat adjacent to the heat source, not directly over it. This method is perfect for slow cooking larger cuts of meat, such as roasts and whole chickens. The gentle, indirect heat allows the meat to cook thoroughly and evenly, ensuring it's juicy and tender from the inside out. The two-zone setup. One mind-blowing technique is the two-zone setup, which combines both direct and indirect heat on the same grill. It offers flexibility, letting you sear your meat over high heat and then move it to the cooler, indirect side to finish cooking. This method is the secret behind achieving the perfect grill marks and consistent doneness. Flavor infusion with smoke. Indirect heat also provides an ideal environment for adding smoky flavors. By placing wood chips or chunks on the hot coals or burners of your grill, you can create a delicious infusion of smokiness that enhances the taste of your barbecue. This method is a game changer for those seeking that signature BBQ flavor. So, whether you're searing with direct heat or slow cooking with indirect heat, mastering these fundamental barbecue basics can take your grilling skills to the next level. It's all about harnessing the power of heat to create mouth-watering dishes that will leave your guests in awe.